Okay, let's write a program that will allow the sprite to ask for a user's name and mention it. You event loops to say hello for 2 seconds with click consent and for the user's name and width. The user will provide his or her name and store it in this variable. Then the sprite will say something before mentioning the name. So let's join it. You go to pretest and page join. So the user's name, which will be stored in this variable called answer, you put it here. Then you type something, maybe hello, before the sprite will mention the person's name. So then it's going to say the name. So you put this one and drag it here. So it will say hello for 2 seconds. Ask for the user's name and width. The user will enter his or her name to be stored at the variable called answer. Then the sprite will say hello before mentioning the person's name. So let's run it. Hello, what is your name? Then the user enters his or her name. Click here. Say hello, Sarah. So let's run again. Hello, what is your name? Yeah, baby. Then you click here. Hello, yeah, baby. So this is another program that allows the sprite to ask for a user's name. The user will enter, then the sprite will mention it. Thank you.